Hey everyone, welcome back to Ohio Power Tool. I'm Mike.
And I'm Nick.
And today we're taking a look at something a lot of you have been asking about, the brand new L-BOXX Contractor System. If you're familiar with that classic L-BOXX setup from Bosch, and Sortimo, this goes way past that. They're stronger, bigger, smarter, and honestly it feels like it really completes the system, which they've been building out for years.
Yeah, this isn't just another toolbox, this is a full-on rolling workshop setup. Mobility, organization, compatibility, the whole deal. And the best part, if you already own L-BOXX, Baseline, or ProClick gear, none of it becomes useless. This stuff snaps right into your existing system. If you've used the Baseline boxes, you know they're rock solid for everyday storage. But the contractor line steps it up. These are built for the reality of job site life, the constant moving around, the need to stay organized, and the pressure to stay fast.
Exactly, Nick. Everyone in the trades right now is mobile working, faster on and off the job with a full setup. Jobs aren't static anymore. You're bouncing between sites, walking long distances, hauling tools from the truck to the basement to the second floor. Every wasted minute is money down the drain, and this system helps fix that. Everything stays together, everything clicks in place, everything moves as one. It's about showing up to a job with everything dialed in, no digging around, no where did that bit go.
Every box in this lineup is built from super tough material. Like, seriously, when I first got my hands on this box, I wasn't sure if it felt as sturdy as a pack out. Not too long ago, we tested the pack-out base roller unit by throwing it off the roof. Remember that?
I do remember everything I've thrown off a roof before.
That's right. So we figured, why not do the same with the whole L-BOXX stack?
Go. What?
I know the impact of the hit looked crucial, but let me tell you, I was surprised how well it did. Box is still intact, didn't break any of the locking clips. The only thing I would need to replace in the box is the locks themselves. So if you decide to throw yours off a building, that's about the only thing you're looking to replace. It's pretty impressive. It's also IP65 dust and water resistant. That's resistant, Mike, not waterproof. You'll be okay if you accidentally leave it in the rain or working in a wet environment, but don't count on your tools being dry if you decide to store this box in a swimming pool.
Yeah, and they finally build in all the little things tradespeople actually want. Aluminum rails so you can attach ProClick pouches right to the box, and M6 threads to mount accessories. Of course, there are dividers, trays, inset boxes, and the whole cubing thing, which basically means your box can double as a base for a portable workbench. It feels like they really listen to job site feedback.
Compatibility matters, Mike. The contractor line works with Baseline, it works with ProClick, it works with existing storage inserts. If you've already built an L-BOXX ecosystem, this snaps right into it.
Look, people want fast turnarounds. There's always more work than people, it seems like. Things change last minute. You don't always have the luxury of going back to the shop to grab something. You show up prepared or you waste time. Flat and simple. The contractor line basically eliminates that. It keeps everything together, everything protected, and everything ready to roll out the moment you are. Compact and rugged. The smallest contractor box is 23 liters, but don't underestimate it. It's light, compact, and perfect for all your go-to tools.
Or you could jump up to the 51 liter. That's the mid-size contractor box. This will fit the larger power tools like rotary hammers, saws, or grinders, no problem. If the standard box is your everyday carry, the mid-size is your bring everything for the job carry.
That's right, Nick. And lastly, we have the big dog, the rolling base. This thing is no joke. 77 liters, telescoping handle, and a load capacity of 250 pounds, and the long tool storage is legit. Toss on levels, brooms, saw rails, or whatever you can think of, they thought of it all. Tons of space in this guy, and you know what? Throw everything in there. Cordless kits, grinders, fasteners, safety gear. It's your rolling workstation. Pull it out of the van, stack your contractor and Baseline boxes on top, click them together, and you're ready to roll. Literally.
Yeah, we pulled this thing around the warehouse and it rolled smoother than half the luggage I own.
You travel and own luggage, Nick?
No.
All right, here's the magic trick, ProClick integration. They're not just here to make it look sweet, they're here to hook your ProClick pouches with one hand. Electrician pouch, drill holster, fastener bags, tech cases, or whatever you have. You can mount any of them right to the box. It basically turns your toolbox into a tool belt, and your tool belt into a toolbox. And that's pretty slick there, Nick. Slick Nick.
Oh! Overall, the L-BOXX Contractor System is a huge step forward. More space, more durability, more mobility, and still 100% compatible with the stuff you already own. If you're tired of digging through piles of tools in a bucket or hauling 3 different bags back and forth every day, this might be your new favorite setup.
And if you're ready to jump in, we've got 3 core contractor boxes right now at Ohio Power Tool: the Standard Box, the Midsize Box, and the large Rolling Toolbox. Those 3 alone will cover 90% of what most trades need. If you've got questions, drop them down below in the comments and let us know which of these contractor boxes you'd add to your setup first: the Standard, the Midsize, or the Rolling Toolbox.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more first look videos and tool reviews coming soon. Thanks for hanging out with us. Catch you on the next one.
Green 18!